Hey, this is Martin Brossman, and we're excited to be coming back to the Mobile Tech Expo 2019, and we want to tell you a little bit about us and the 4-hour intensive training workshop we're going to offer in the education module. It's going to be digital marketing for mobile tech pros, and we want to let you know why you want it to be a priority to be there.
Hi, my name is Robin Wergeling, aka Super Media Girl, 15 years in the digital marketing space, and I cannot wait to teach you guys some tools and tricks with this magic device in your hand that doesn't take a lot of time, but you can make more money.
Hello, I'm Paul Apollonia. Let me give you a little brief background of what I've done. I was a mobile detailer, so I can relate to what you guys are going through, and that's what I'm going to be doing in the class. I did mobile detailing from 98 to 2010. Actually starting out doing the business out of my Ford Escort, moving into a van and stuff like that. So I've been there. I know what you guys have gone through and are going through. So that's where I'm going to be the connection between sometimes what they're doing and I can relate to what you're doing during the class. I am now doing eBay full-time and other online venues, doing training and teaching one-on-one, small group and large groups.
Yeah, and myself, I've been teaching since 1995 when I left IBM, and coaching. I call myself a business coach, specializing in small and micro businesses with highly limited funds. My best marketing is Google my name. I got into this because of Paul, and we're in Raleigh, Robin's in Florida, and we teamed up to provide the best possible training for you. So all three of us will be there in this program, the 4-hour intensive digital marketing for mobile tech pros. It's a workshop. We're going to roll up our sleeves. We're going to start with making sure your fundamental referral system is maximized. Are you getting the most on the ground with your current customers? Are you training them to be raving fans on the ground so they'll talk about you on the web? Then we're how to address things on the web to maximize that so they work hand in hand together. And this is based on over 12 years of my experience. I would say, Robin, about 45 years if we add us all up. We're also going to be showing you how to make more money, save more money, and be more efficient, including apps that will be sprinkled through and Paul's tips on saving money through the entire class. So set aside the full block. We guarantee it's going to be worth it.
What we want to make sure that everybody comes away from our workshop with is that you only have to be as competitive as your top competitor online. You don't have to learn how all digital marketing works and how everything online works. You only have to figure out where your competition is and be more dominant than them when people are searching for your services in your area. And so we're going to make sure that the extra time that you are taking to work on your marketing is the most effective to make you the most amount of money with the least amount of time.
One of the things I call is the Aikido method of marketing that we use. We're going to be showing you how to find the holes where your customer is and your competition isn't, so you can be so ahead of them, you'll have a fierce competitive advantage over what they're doing.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be the connection between what these guys are talking about at times and your business. I come from the mobile detailing world. I did mobile detailing for about 10 years. So I'm going to be that guy that's going to connect what they're saying and we're going to apply it to your business. Mm-hmm. I know you guys don't have a lot of time. I've been there. I was a one-man operation. And I'm also going to show you also how to make some extra income by using eBay to selling your old equipment, by using some of the coupon programs to create some revenue from just daily things you're doing online, buying things on Amazon, eBay. There's ways of creating some income with that. We're going to show you how to do the t-shirts. We can make t-shirts. I'll show you how to do that. Very easy. Everybody says, wow, I wish there was a t-shirt for that. Or gosh, that'd be looking great on the t-shirt. Well, you can do that and make some great money while you're sleeping. We're going to also talk about doing some affiliate marketing with, let's say you're using a product, a buffing pad, whatever, and you go, boy, this is really nice. And you know it's out on Amazon or out on a website. I'll show you how to create an affiliate link legally and do it right and not pepper everybody with it. And you can make some extra money doing that. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. This is going to be small amounts of income weekly that's going to help you out through those slow times.
Yeah, the whole thing is we understand you're busy already, you don't have extra bandwidth, you don't have time to be, quote, on social media all day, and we don't want you. This is customized for you. So the people who start the class walk in the classroom. We're going to find out what's important to you, what is your business, and it's almost going to be like one-on-one consulting through the 4 hours, customized to you. So at the end, you are guaranteed with a plan of what to do that you could do within your means and get them done. I've really specialized over the 12 years. How do I help businesses with little or no money that have a fierce competitive advantage when they're doing everything? And that's the specialty here. People will say, what's your marketing budget? I don't ask that. I want to know what's your competitive advantage. We're going to help you understand it. Have you dialed in the customers that you can attract? And are you repelling the customers you can't, so that you are actually getting the most money for your efforts, and how to multiply that as well. We're also covering with Paul and Robin and me apps. Everyone likes, what is the best app? And all the apps will have an entry level or just a few dollars, and they'll be sprinkled through the whole class as little bonus items. We have the Paul tip on how to save money throughout the whole class and others. What we want from you is come in ready to work, come in ready to walk away with a plan and be committed to making more money. And we guarantee that will happen. If you commit the 4 hours with us, this is going to be dialed into you.
A lot of these guys, and I was one of them too, the PDR guys, the mobile detailing guys, a lot of us were living hand to mouth at times. And with this system, you're going to see how you're not going to be hand to mouth. You're not going to be doing those $30 car washers or those quick dents that you're not going to make any money. You're going to be making some real money because you're going to be getting the upper level people that are willing to pay.
And that's it, the consistency. It's the thing is, well, I'm too busy to market, and then we have a starvation period, and then so forth. We're giving you things that take small chunks of time ongoingly that even that out for you and guarantee that ongoing referral system with really the latest technology and information.
And we're going to teach you how to do it easy with that thing you carry around with you all day long, and take a little bit of time and make a lot more money.
So come prepared, come get ready to work, come get ready to make more money. Look forward to having you there. Block out the time period. We'll give you breaks every hour to at least check your messages and everything else. But you're going to roll up your sleeves, and we're going to guarantee you walk away with results if you participate in the full class. And we're also going to be providing a certificate of completion to people that want it. Nice thing you can hang on the wall or do it, because we need to know that when you leave our program, you're making more money or we fail. That's our commitment.
We are so looking forward to seeing you guys in Orlando again.
And I'm looking forward to it too. I've been there several years in a row. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys again.
You're the backbone of our country, working with your hands and producing real results. I'm excited to just hang out with you again. Thanks to Paul for getting us involved, and look forward to seeing you there.